experimentation. Oh, I'll try to do it the other way around. Alright, I'm going to see how it looks in first person hitting the tire. Oh! Okay, so first things first, I was punching like this, but a guy at my job who's gone through martial arts, and I've seen a video on it too, but I never clicked when I saw the video, recommended holding it like this. So this is wrong, and when I would do it like this, and I would do uppercuts, because I'm able to get impaction, my thumb, whenever I had a nail, would jam into the tire. And it would hurt. So he said, and the video said, that holding your fist like this makes the bone support your wrist additionally, and you have to focus on hitting with these two. This knuckle was broken last year, 1 year ago, May 28th, I think, last year. But as you can see, I've done pretty good healing. So this has never been, so over here, and you want to hit. So what I'm doing is we're going here. Well, this, since this knuckle's been broke, I pretty much have one knuckle to work with. But I mean, that's enough. It's a good knuckle. So then here, really trying to get this. Now another, oh, I'm sorry, I was doing it anyways. So one thing too, that even before he showed me that, because of that thumb issue, when I was doing hooks, it was the same problem. The thumb was getting, the thumbnail was getting smashed. So what I started doing is practicing this. Okay, so these two knuckles. So when I'm doing it, so it can either go that way, that way. Ooh. That way. See? That one, and then that one. That's it. I'm not here to work out. And that is there just for a quick example. So it's funny because when I kick that leg, it's alright, whatever. Just to keep it from swinging too much because it still hits that. But I need some weight. But I also gotta, because one time I kicked too low. But in a fight, kicking below the knee, at the knee or below, is more beneficial than kicking above the knee in the thigh. So that's one of these evolutions of the fight game. And all the K1 fighting, these big ass fools, they would chop each other down. In the 90s, late 90s and early 2000s, 260-pound guys doing these massive leg kicks, but all to the thighs, because their mindset was all steroided out, was to chop each other down. But now you have guys in, I forgot who's really started it, but in the UFC, I'm sure he got it from somebody else. I mean, he's not the one that did it. He's just the one that did it on the public stage. Started kicking, targeting the calf. He doesn't even want to hit the thigh. He wants to hit the calf and shutting down guys' entire legs. There's a nerve. The guys will be like, you kick the thigh, sure they're falling, they're crying, but you got to kick it sometimes, a lot of times. You kick the calf. So what my whole point is, even though I have it set up like this for what would amount to be calf, I'm sorry, knee and above, a thigh, I can't practice because my chin doesn't, I was doing it yesterday or 2 days ago. You see? And that was with a thin pair of pants. So right here is all tender. But, yeah, let me see what it looks like with a, I don't know if I could do a head kick with these pants on. It looks weak. Anyway, that's it.